In this video, we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? And why do we keep seeing those terms everywhere nowadays? Quick answer, there is two reasons. First, because technological progress allowed to facilitate and deepen the use of artificial intelligence. And second, because we are at a phase called the peak of inflated expectations. Let's see all this together.
And you have control of measure what the effect of this
This video aims at giving you very quickly a broad view of the state of AI and what's AI as of today, and will help us as well to understand the future video when I will bring the topic of AI. First of all, we keep hearing about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep neural networks, and those terms are used sometimes as synonyms, as substitutes, and we might get lost. So let's start with the simplest definitions that I could find. Artificial intelligence defines a program able to learn from example and solve problems. Within artificial intelligence, there is machine learning, which is a set of statistical tools which allows the machine to perform tasks without precise or explicit instructions, but rather by relying on some patterns or some inference. And then within machine learning, there is deep learning, which is similar to machine learning, but the program don't need any precise instruction. It will fully learn by itself. And the main specificity of deep learning is the fact that the structure of the program rely on a deep neural network, which is the program is structured as a set of nodes connected in layers, which kind of resemble the structure of our own brain. Again, we keep seeing artificial intelligence everywhere. And the first reason is that recent technological progress allowed to use and facilitate the use of artificial intelligence. The techniques used in artificial intelligence are from the last century, but it's really three things that led to this growth of today. First is the hardware. We have in the last few years an evolution in the hardware that allows computers to do massive amount of computations at the same time. And this is what we call more technically, it's because the CPUs and GPUs have more cores, which helps to parallelize the computation. Parallelize meaning you compute several things exactly at the same time. And this is a very powerful tool that's dramatically increased the power and facilitated the use of AI. The second thing is the software. There are, since in the last decade, mainly two software that's really facilitated the use of AI, which are PyTorch and TensorFlow. And last but not least, AI relies on a learning process using massive amount of data. And as of today, we have more data available than any point in time in the past. This helps a lot implementing AI solutions. And this is actually one of the weaknesses of AI. To learn by itself, it requires a lot of information, of examples. And compared to humans, this is really a weakness. For example, when a baby tries to learn to walk, it will maybe take a few hundred tries. But with AI, when a machine tries to learn walking, usually it might take millions of tries. The second reason why we keep seeing AI everywhere, and that it seems that it will be able to solve any problem we have and do better than humans, is because of Amara's law, which is a law explaining the life curve of the perception of new technological progress. And we are now on this curve for machine learning at the peak of inflated expectation. So basically this law says that in the short term, we tend to overestimate the potential of a new technology, as in the long term, we tend to underestimate this potential. And now we are exactly at this stage where we clearly overestimate the potential of the artificial intelligence. And actually, this tension between the long term and short term overestimate and underestimate leads to a heated debate. And this week, last Wednesday, I was actually at EPFL following top scholars, top researchers from MIT or other top university discussing this topic and arguing what will be the place of AI in our society on the labor market in the near future. This will be treated in the following video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss any content, click on the subscribe and bell button.